a telling lie. Can you see what I'm not saying through my eyes? All I know is love.
Alright, y'all, so it's later in the day now. I've been cooking, okay? I'm about to go pick up the U-Haul. You guys know I have like a Benz now, a smaller car, which I can transport food and stuff. But pro tip, if you're doing a multiple day shoot and you got a lot of stuff, it's better to load as much stuff as you can the first day, and then buy tablecloths and load and hide what you're not using that's not perishable, of course, like under the tables. So that's what I'm gonna do. Since this shoot is a local, I'm gonna get a U-Haul for the first day. It's super cheap, like 20-30 bucks, but that extra space is gonna allow me to just like bring everything pretty much the first day, and then all I have to do for the other days is pretty much bring the food that I cook for their meals. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to go pick it up. Yeah, who else is bumping Drake's new album? I love it. If you are, what is your favorite song on his album? So far, right now, my favorite song is the one with him and Jay-Z. This one right here. It's just so much knowledge in this song. So many facts. I love it. This one right here is my favorite. Alright, so I'm at the U-Haul place. I gotta do everything through my phone, through the app. So let me do that real quick. Alright, y'all, done sprayed down the key and hold up. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so I got the van. Hold on, I need both my hands. I'll be back. Wow, this van feels so high. Damn, I think I overdid it with the lights off. What in the what? It's burning up in here. Alright, they're on. It's clean in the back. Yep, perfect. Clean. Alright, let's go drop this off. So after a stressful day, y'all, I'm getting my feet done. I think I deserved it. I deserve it. Yes. Treat yourself. Okay? Feels so good. Alright, y'all. So right now I'm heading to the supermarket real quick. I need one more thing there. One more pork shoulder. So I'm about to get that real quick. I'm like really taking y'all along with me all day. This is my favorite supermarket. This one reminds me just like home. Cafe Bustelo. The best. I'm gonna be in and out. I just need one more pork shoulder. Which one should I get? One of these big ones. Pork shoulder. Let's roll. Yeah, real quick before I forget, I just came home and I had a package. And this is my new place card and holders. How cute are these? These are like little, but these are real wood, like little baby pieces of wood cylinders. How cute are these? What? And then it came with some cards, you know, just so people know what's there. You know, you see that. And look, and then you just put it in there. How cute is that? And they sit so cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And they sturdy because they nice and flat. I just thought these were so cute when I picked them up. I got these from Amazon. Okay, searching Amazon place cards. And these will come up. I just thought these were so freaking cute. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm at Publix. I ordered some sandwich platters for the first day of the shoot. The first day they wanted a continental breakfast and sandwiches and stuff because they're loading in and they'll be back and forth. They didn't want a sit down meal. I am cooking for the rest of the shoot. So, of course, honey, I'm working smarter, not harder, all right? So I ordered some sandwich platters. I'm about to go pick it up. As far as the salads and stuff, I make that myself. I make a bomb pasta salad. I just finished that. I make a tomato cucumber salad with like red onions, real bomb. I just finished that. I'm doing a tossed salad and stuff. I'm hooking it up, but the sandwiches part I ordered, so let me go pick it up. Look how pretty, all those orchids. I bought some pretty roses for my my table. You'll see that in the vlog tomorrow. Love arugula. I got 80. Hi, I'm picking up a catering order. A catering order for Ashley.
Ashley, yes, give me 1 second.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
have a great one.
That's not it. That's not it.
Oh, there's more?
Yeah, I ordered a big platter. It's 6 pieces.
Oh, it's 6 of them?
Yeah.
They must have put them in 2 different areas.
Look at all that stuff, yeah.
For 3 days, so we only last for 3 days, so it's hard to buy a lot. Yeah.
And it's a cookie platter too.
A cookie platter?
Yeah.
Alright. Can I come to your house for that?
Sure, come. Oh, that thing is big.
Alright. Oh, I made this one.
Did they wrap them? They wrapped them in plastic, right? You did.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I remember this one. This is the one I was like wrapped in plastic. What?
Thank you. I gotta go back and wrap the other ones, girl.
Oh, you want me to do those? Or?
Now?
I can do them now. I'm not doing anything.
You gonna wrap all the sandwiches up for me?
All of them?
Yeah.
I mean, if that's what you wanted, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we can wrap them up, can't we?
What's up?
She wanted, they only wrapped 1 box of them up. She wanted all of them wrapped up.
Oh, because the ringleaders we don't wrap up because they're already pre-done, whereas the sub selection platter is it's like sub rolls that we have to cut up ourselves.
Okay.
We can't physically wrap up those.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Because she wanted them wrapped up.
I'll pay for it extra.
I mean that's not a me call. That'd probably be Megan or somebody.
Megan! Amir might
I'll be
need to
back,
person in a few minutes.
And then here's the cookies. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Wait, did he do this? Did he do these two?
No, ma'am. I'll get them to you.
She gonna wrap them. Let me look for some cash to give her a tip of for doing it for me. See what I have in here. How much should I tip her for doing it? Oh God. I'll be back, guys. Alright, y'all. So I'm sitting here waiting for them to be finished. Once they're done, I'm getting tired now. Tomorrow's the day 1. She hooked it up, y'all. Okay. Hooked it up. Alright, y'all. So I forgot to film a bunch of stuff that I got from Walmart for my craft services table. The craft services are the snacks for in between meals for the shoot that I have to provide that they paid for. So I'm just gonna do a pan around all the stuff I bought. It's a lot of stuff. These are some nuts. So since I'm supposed to be giving tips, when you do your craft services, you're supposed to have like a variety of stuff, like junk food, a little healthy food, you know, in between stuff. All right. So look, these are different nuts. All these are boxes of Kind bars, Rice Krispie treats. You must have chocolate. Okay, these noodles and stuff are for meals. I have a few variety packs of the Skinny Pop. I have, if you can see, I have Cheez-Its, some cases of pudding. I'm trying to show y'all not make a huge mess. I have a bunch of tinfoil plastic wrap, some variety packs of popcorn. This right here, I have a thing of Lysol wipes, some gloves. This is the food safe gloves. This right here is all the coffee stuff, different different kind of stuff for coffee. Look, a big, huge thing of sugar packets. Like I told you before, everything has to be individually packed because of COVID, so nothing can be exposed. Everything has to be individually wrapped. So a 2,000 thing of sugar packets. This is all coffee. I do have an industrial size coffee maker. You guys will see that later. Different kinds of coffee creamers. These are the little cups because of course it has to be individually wrapped right now. So I always get more of the original and then I fill it in with flavor ones. Different things of coffee. I like the Coffee Bustelo because, you know, it perks up good. So coffee make French vanilla, hazelnut, Splenda. You always have to have a Splenda option. So regular sugar and Splenda. These are individually wrapped coffee stirrers. More coffee. This is half and half. Over here I have some individually wrapped, individual size cereal, different cups. That water on the floor is mine. That's not the water for them. Their water is, they're doing Nestle Pure Life. More cases of pudding. They really like that. A big, huge thing of chips. Different cases of granola bars. Y'all see the granola bars. More Rice Krispie treats. Crunchy granola bars. Fruit cups. Belvitas for breakfast. Some Ritz crackers. More Belvitas. So many things. I have big family packs of pretzels. You always have to have pretzels. Chips and pretzels. Right here I have cases of Pringles. You just have to have a huge variety. You know, they pay for this. Craft service is definitely not free. They pay. A case of cookies. I think I have 2 of these. The other one is somewhere around here. Oh yeah, I did buy 2. The other case is right there. So I have different kind of snack cakes. You just have to make sure they have enough. It may seem like a whole lot of stuff, but this is a 3-day shoot. They pay for craft services for all 3 days. So different snack cakes. These are chocolate chip cakes. Alright. These are a bunch of Swiss rolls. I think I bought 3 of these. So much stuff, y'all. Some individually wrapped brownies. And then what was left in there was a case of Diet Pepsi. You of course have to have like a huge variety of drinks. I have so many cases of soda and water. Let me show you that.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.
All right.